Hello, I'm Jean McAllister, Chief Advancement Officer and Executive Director of Atlantic Cape Community College Foundation.
And I'm Chris Millars, Advancement Officer and Assistant Director of the Foundation. Today, on National Nonprofit Day, we want to take a moment to thank all of our incredible supporters.
Your generous contributions have a profound impact on each and every one of our students, especially those facing financial hardships. Every donation plays a crucial role in enabling us to provide essential scholarships and resources, ensuring our students have the support they need to achieve their full potential.
Your support not only eases the financial burden our students face, but also motivates them to pursue their dreams and excel academically. Because of you, we are able to create an environment of excellence where every student has the opportunity to succeed.
We are deeply grateful for the dedication to our mission and for believing in the potential of Atlantic Cape students.
Together, we are making a positive impact on our students, and thank you for your support.
Thank you. Happy National Nonprofit Day.